We at BikeFolded have reviewed folding bikes for nearly a decade, and a Brompton is still our favorite. However, the problem is that Brompton bikes are too expensive for most average consumers. In the US, their prices range from over $1,000 to nearly $3,000, depending on the specs. That's the reason why they have never become popular in the US, and there are more cheaper alternatives coming from Asia. The Camp Royale comes from Mobot, a company based in Singapore, and it costs less than $1,000. The price is crazy because a similar spec Brompton M6R costs over $1,700. That means a saving of about 45%. It is equipped with all important components like a rear rack with wheels, mudguards, and a hand pump attached to the frame. Moreover, it includes extra accessories that are often sold separately when you buy a Brompton. Those include an extra seat post with an integrated battery and rear light. You might even get a free carrying bag as well when ordering from their website. As compared to the Brompton M6R, the Camp Royale is just slightly heavier, while the folded dimensions are pretty much the same. It's almost impossible to tell the difference between the two bikes. I'm very surprised with the design and build quality of this bike. It costs roughly half the price of the Brompton, but it also uses a steel frame. All parts and finishes are very well done. It doesn't look and feel like a cheap folding bike at all. What I loved the most about Brompton bikes is the compact size and amazing folding mechanism. The folding and unfolding processes are the same on this Camp Royale, but my bike has a few issues during the folding process. Firstly, when folding the front wheel back, the hook is not entirely attached to the frame. Therefore, it gets loose easily and sometimes falls off when I carry the bike. Secondly, when I drop the handlebar, it is a bit stiff and not clipped to the fork catch automatically. I often have to press it in myself. This is probably a quality control issue since I haven't heard of similar complaints from other users. The bike has 6 speeds and it performs well enough during my test. The left shifter is to adjust the rear derailleur, while the right shifter is for the rear internal hub. Shifting gears is quick and smooth, so I have no problem climbing some moderate hills, although it's much more exhausting as compared to bigger bikes. Obviously, the riding experience is not really comfortable because it uses small 16-inch wheels. As compared to bikes with 20-inch wheels or fat tires, riding the Camp Royale is a little rough and you can feel it on your bottom even when riding on nice paved roads. You shouldn't ride this bike off-road. Besides, you should be also more careful to avoid potholes on the road. Though these advantages are expected for a bike at this size, and it's not my priority when using it, I still love it because it is compact, lightweight, and can follow me on any trip on a bus, subway, or my car. I can easily put it in my car trunk without taking too much space. Then when coming home, it can be hidden underneath my desk and nobody is aware of it. To conclude, here are all pros and cons of the folding bike. Pros: affordable price, great design and build quality, all accessories are included, lightweight and compact. Cons: folding is not smooth enough, uncomfortable for long rides. Overall, I have no complaint when using this bike, especially when it costs just about half the price of a similar Brompton. The differences between them are minor, therefore you totally can get this Camp Royale if you are on a low budget.